Okay, so we are told to find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. Let's consider the first one. So we are supposed to convert 25 degrees to some radians, right? So we know pi radians is equals to 180 degrees, or conversely we can say 180 degrees is equal to pi radian, or 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, right? So what we can do is just multiply 25 on both sides. Let's do that. So we'll multiply 25 on both sides. This is equal to pi by 180 times 25 radian, right? So finally we arrived at 25 degrees is equal to 25 pi by 180. So we can do some simplifications here. So let's first cancel by 5. So 5 is a 25, and then you could cancel this 5, 3, 6. So 25 degrees is equal to 5 pi by 36 radians, right? Let's move on to the next one. So next we have, again for the sake of reference, let's write down 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians, right? So the second one says minus 47 degrees and 30 minutes. So again here we can convert this degree part, but it'll be useful to us if we converted this minute part into degrees as well. So the relation is 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So this is called minute of an arc, right? Which means this 30 minutes will be 0.5 degrees is 30 minutes, right? So this whole thing we can write it as minus 47.5 degrees, right? So now it's just a simple operation. So from here we multiply minus 47.5 on both sides. So let's multiply that. Minus 47.5 times 1 degree. This is equal to minus pi by 180 times 47.5 radian, right? So this was the required degree measure, and finally we arrive at minus 47.5 pi by 180 radian. On simplification, this will give minus 19 by 72 pi radians. Okay, so let's move on to the third one. It's pretty simple, right? I'll again write down 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. So 240 degrees will be what? It's pretty simple. So you multiply 240 on both sides. So I do that. 240 times 1 degrees is equal to pi by 180 times 240 radians, right? So now finally we get 240 degrees is equal to, you can cancel these two, cancel by 6, so you have 4 by 3, so you get 4 pi by 3 radians. Okay, let's move on to the final one. So the final one says what, yeah, it says 520 degrees, so you have 520 degrees and you want the radian measure of it. It's pretty simple again, so you just multiply in this formula, right? So you have pi by 180 radian. Now I just multiply 520 on both the sides, so I have 520. I'll just use color. Okay, so I have times 1 degree here, then pi by 180 radian, right? So finally you get 520 degrees is equal to, let's cancel this, then you can cancel further. So you have 52 pi by 18 radians, you cancel by 2, so this is 26 and this becomes 9. So finally you get 26 pi by 9 radians. Okay, so we're done with question 1. For the sake of reference, let's just number it. This was Roman 4, this is the third one, then I have the second one, and finally the first one. So yeah, we're done. Pretty simple one to start with.